This is my first ever camera that I've purchased. It is in the mint green color. I know it's cute. को नहीं आता camera use करना. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today's video is really special to me because I am going to unbox my camera. So this is my first ever camera that I've purchased and it is special because I purchased it from my savings. So today you are going to see what camera I got, and let's get started. So this is the box of the camera. So it is the Fujifilm X-A7 and it comes with a 15-45mm lens. So it's open because I got the camera from the store. So you can get the camera from the store as well as on Amazon. So this camera is priced for 60,000 rupees, but I got it for 40,000 from the store itself because there was a sale going on during January from 1st to 31st, I guess. Whole month of January they were giving like amazing offers on cameras. So I got this for 40,000 from there and get it from Amazon for the same price. I'm happy that I went to the store because I got a camera bag with it, so I didn't have to purchase alag se. So I'm gonna start with this. So this is the camera. It comes with a 2-year warranty here and it is in the color mint green. So I'm gonna open the box and I'm gonna show you what it comes in. So open हो रखा है, उन लोगों ने setup भी करके दिया है camera, everything. I have used it also. I'm gonna attach the clips that I shot from this camera so you get an idea. This is the box. This is the starting. This does not come with the camera. I purchased it alag se. It is a filter, lens filter to protect the lens. This was for 500 rupees. It is an ultra thin filter. Then here is some manuals, some more manuals and some warranty cards. So this is the next that comes with the camera. So this is a small box. इसमें memory card आता है. Memory card already camera में डला हुआ है. So that is why it is empty. But a 16 GB memory card comes with it. You can buy a bigger one if you want. But I don't feel the need क्योंकि आपने pictures click करी, you just transfer it and delete it from the camera. So these are the two USB and plug points that comes with the camera. So this is the charger, USB charging point. So there is no particular charger to charge it from. So you have to charge it from the laptop. And if you want to buy, you can go and buy an additional charger separately. It's available on Amazon. It is all given in the manual which charger you need. Then this is the jack point. So इसमें आप external mic fit कर सकते हो. So the point in this is 2.5 mm jack. So it is for that. ये आप उसमें fit करो and you fit the mic in this. Then the main thing is the lens. This is the lens that comes with the camera. It's like a proper professional lens. So everything zoom and focus is in your hands. It is 15-45 mm lens. The main thing in this camera is कि आप इसके lens change कर सकते हो. So lenses are changeable. So like professional DSLRs में जैसे होता है, you just change the lens and you can go use it for photography. आप lens ले लो आपको जौन सा चाहिए and you can do the photography as well. This is the camera. It is in the mint green color. I know it's cute, you know. And this is the strap. The strap also comes with the camera only. It's a camel color strap. It says Fujifilm here and this is the strap it comes with, so you can just hang it. So idhar lens fit hota hai, you can change the lens. This camera is mainly for videos and vlogging purposes, so I wanted for that reason only. That is why I went for this. If you are going for a photography based camera, then you can always choose other cameras. It is a great camera. It is so lightweight, it is so easy to handle, and it has a flip screen, so you can just shoot it from here and then you can just flip it like this and you can just shoot it like this and you can just so easily carry it around. It is so easy to handle. The screen is touch screen, so it is also easy to use. You have the buttons here, either joystick hai, so you can just move it here. You have the buttons to the menu and displays and everything. Then you have the on off button and then you have like full professional setup going on here also because you get all the features that a DSLR has, all these buttons, and then you have the aperture and ISO settings also here. So you shoot from here, you click pictures from here, you shoot videos from here, and you can set everything in the manual mode. Here you can plug in your external mic or anything else. Then here comes the flash. So here is the button, you press it and the flash comes on, and you can just close it back. So this was this, and you have these microphones over here. मैंने इसमें record करी है videos in the night mode also, in the morning also, and I didn't shout too loud. I was talking like really slowly, and the voice is great. So I don't think I will be needing an external mic like I need here when I shoot the videos from the phone. I don't think I will be needing right now. Mainly it has flip screen, so it is easy to record videos. Like right now, I recorded the whole video before. From my side, I had turned the video button on, but when I got up after like packing everything, I just got up and I saw video was not recorded at. And quality also is amazing. मैंने अंदर अपने room में shoot करी video इससे, and I don't get a good light also. Like in my videos also there is not that bright light, but इसमें without light भी बहुत अच्छी video quality है. Like really good videos I can shoot from this. So now you'll be getting good content. Here is like space to put it on your tripod and all. Here goes the battery and the memory card. So here you can put that, then you close it, then you come at this point. So here are your ports, HDMI port and your USB port, like opens like this. So here you put the jack, your 2mm jack here, and then you can connect and put your mic here. Remove this. It is a mirrorless camera and it is not a full frame camera. So mirrorless के और बहुत features होते हैं. And I'm not a professional to tell them, so I'm just gonna press this button, and from here I'm gonna attach my lens. So this is my lens is attached, and I can just like click pictures and shoot from this now. And this is it. Your camera is set up. You can connect it with your phone. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and you can just connect it with your phone. And it has system upgrades also. आप latest से latest system पे upgrade कर सकते हो इसको. You do not to change your cameras after a period of time. It's the latest technology. You can go live from this camera, like on Instagram, Facebook. You can just connect it with your phone and go live from this. So I got this bag with the camera. Fujifilm gave this bag. It has the logo and name written over here. So ये सिर्फ store में मिलता है. It is just available on the store. It's if you purchase from Amazon, you do not get this. And it is so compact and easy to carry. Like इसमें camera रखो, it's not heavy at all. It's so compact. So it opens from here, and here it has like a pocket, so you can put everything that you need here. And here it opens like this, then it opens like this. So it has proper protection to your camera, and you can put your camera here, your lens here, everything you need, equipments. And it's easy to carry. It's small and it's compact. तो इतना छोटा कैमरे के लिए you do not need that bulky bags. I was searching for a bag when I was searching for the camera, and they give like really bulky backpacks and all, so you don't need that. And here also are 2 pockets. So I really like this bag. It's like nice accessory to go on with also. And if you want more reviews about this camera, when I know how to use it well enough, then I can give you the camera reviews also. But for now it is great. I need to learn also right now. अभी मैंने जो भी shoot करा होगा, that is not professionally. मेरे को नहीं आता camera use करना. It's good for beginners, that's why I'm telling. मैं एक बारी properly इसको चलाना सीख जाऊँगी, then I can give you more professional reviews. But for now, this was my review and this was my unboxing. So yeah guys, that was it for the video. If you liked, then please press the thumbs up button, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell, and wait for the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you guys.